Hey guys, Puneet here from Gentech. Let's check out the trending tech news of this week. So the first update is from Huawei. They released the folding phone called Mate X2. Huawei unveiled its latest foldable flagship, the Mate X2, and its features and inward folding design. The phone is wedge-shaped, it thickens near of the camera module, and it gradually slims down to 4.4mm on the other hand. This is the first foldable phone with a periscope lens. The inner display measures 8" in diagonal and has a squarish aspect ratio of 8:7. The external screen is 6.45 inches in diagonal and has an aspect ratio of 21:9. Huawei also showed PC mirroring with its laptop, tapping the Mate X2 with the laptop using NFC. Once connected, the phone's display is instantly thrown up onto the PC's display. While this isn't a new feature, what's interesting is how the multi-screen collaboration feature handled the secondary internal display. Once unfolded, the mirror view of the screen is quickly expanded to reflect the larger screen of the foldable phone. The transition between external and internal screen is very quick and with very low latency. So the next update is from Oppo, and they have introduced their wireless charging. So the last month we have seen Xiaomi announced a true wireless charging technology called MyHeritage. Now Oppo has joined the line with its wireless air charging tech. Oppo showcased how the wireless air charge technology works on devices via a demo video. It explained that the wireless air charging tech can go up to 7.5 watt of charging power. As for the distance, Oppo says that user can take the device up to 10 centimeter distance from the charging mat to continue charging. Now that's not what we have seen from Xiaomi, where you can go around the room while charging the phone. So according to Oppo, is very limited. So the next update is from MyHeritage site, which now lets you animate old family photos. The AI enabled synthetic media is being used as a tool for manipulating real emotions and capturing user data by MyHeritage, which has launched a new feature called Deep Nostalgia. Now that lets user upload a photo of a person to see individual face animated by an algorithm. MyHeritage says this feature is intended for a nostalgic use, that is to bring beloved ancestors back to life. Now some people might find it creepy, but others might find it amazing and very useful. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on it. The next is from Google Maps. The Google Maps app is getting a true dark mode after all, at least on Android anyway. The dark mode, which makes things much further than the previously available night mode color option. It will be accessible in the app setting menu under the theme. Google announced the dark mode rollout as a part of a batch of new features coming to Android, including some updates to Android Auto. So the last update is from Realme, which launches its gaming accessories. So if you're a gaming fan, then Realme has launched a whole set of mobile gaming accessories. These includes a new mobile game finger sleeve, cooling back clip, the mobile game controller as well. The gaming finger sleeve, Realme says it has been made with superconducting electric silver fiber. These finger sleeve have been made up of 0.25mm ultra slim design with breathable material that repels sweat to make sure that the screen don't get wet if you're in a hot weather. So the mobile game controller, which are a pair of controllers that can be attached to any smartphone. This comes with a cap air mapping technology, which Realme claims that it's more accurate than most. Beside this, it has a recordable burst mode, which is actually a macro mode. So the last one is the cooling back clip from Realme, which is a smartphone air cooler. So the cooling back clip is a device that is attached to the back of a smartphone and cools the smartphone temperature during gaming using its dual cooling tech that includes a 7-blade fan and a semiconductor chip. So guys, that's all the update for this week. If you like the video and want to get notified of more tech news and reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you next week.